Happy Friday. Today was an interesting Friday. We have Jackson Hole Summit, or the economic summit, going on right now. I had one of the fastest trades I've ever had on stream happen today. So we're going to go ahead and recap that. If you didn't know, the 150, 250, and 300K accounts with Apex are all $50 right now. Every other account's 80% off, and all PA fees are $85 for all accounts for the lifetime. So very good deal going on right now. You can use code TBM to access those. It's also 1 day to pass. I'm trading 20 of the 50K funded accounts. Let's go ahead and dive into today's recap. Yo, good morning. Happy Friday. It's gonna be a great day. We got Powell testificating all over on stage, and at 9 o'clock. So who knows if we're gonna get anything today, but you know, it's still gonna be a great day. But Bostic, Powell at 9, new home sales at 9, Parker, Goolsby. It's Fed day, man. Goolsby, Jackson Hole, baby, all day. I list the range of potential Fed decisions from no cut to 50. All right. So yeah, we have a very busy day Fed-wise, Fed speakers, because of Jackson Hole. It's gonna be tough. If it's very flagrantly worth taking, I'll take it, but I don't necessarily love trading full Fed talk day. The market's opening in 45 seconds. VWAP down at 705. Value area low from yesterday. We are currently opening up inside value area high from yesterday. Wow, we're on 5-point spreads here. Hate that. Value area low down at 650. Overnight lows down at 610. So if we can get below VWAP, then you might think 650s. You crack 650s, and you think it's 600s lower, right? 600s and lower. Yesterday's close is sitting at 580. So a return to...
Can we get a HBD for Mr. BVL? Give US saxophone.
HBD, Brom. Chat dropping HBD. We got yesterday's close down at 580s. So yeah, those are kind of like the bang, 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 bang that I care about. See what happens. Markets are open. And I'll try and pull up Powell when he comes on. Sound good? All right, still trying to come into VWAP. Magical 20s here. It's an 80 to 20 rotation currently playing out the last, what, 5-10 minutes? Not bad. Anyways, it's lit. It's lit. It's lit. It's lit. Saved it by 30 seconds. GG's, chat. We'll keep the stream going. August 23rd, Friday. The World Tongue Twister champion just got arrested. I hear they're going to give him a really tough sentence. It's a good one. Kind of mid. I thought it was decent. Anyone know how to plot IBH and IBL on NinjaTrader? Just use an opening range indicator if there's not initial balance. Just set it for the first hour. And you can also just manually draw the lines yourself. You don't really need an indicator for it. It just takes out a little bit of ease of use. Nothing will ever beat the 2 butts assassin one. I don't even remember that one. Everybody always talks about it. I don't even remember it. The ones I always remember are the what has 5 toes and isn't your foot? My foot. I was looking to see if I have the assassin one around here, but I can't find it. VWAP bounce a thing? Apparently today, yeah. I think the market's just going in full sideways mode until 9 o'clock, to be honest. Oh, what has 2 butts and kills people? An assassin. Yeah, that's pretty good. Link on Financial Juice for Powell's speech. Yep, there it is. If you're on Financial Juice, you can watch it here, but I'm about to pull it up as well. Let's see. Is he wearing a certain color tie? Or it's not even on yet. We're just pumping for the sake of pumping. Purple tie. Markets rip off purple.
Thank you, Karen, and thanks to our host from the Kansas City
Obviously.
Fed. It's great to be back here today.
100-point ripper off the purple tie news.
Labor market.
It's legit.
Avoiding the sharp increases in unemployment that characterized earlier disinflationary episodes.
What about his tie? Literally, if he catches a purple tie, if he wears a purple tie on FOMC or any type of speeching thing, the market literally always pumps out of it.
Today.
Well, not to mention on the inflation thing, and this is where I have a hard time with all of it, is that like inflation bumped up prices, and even if inflation for like raw goods is coming down, big corps are not going to lower their prices just for the sake of lowering their prices after they've gotten away with keeping their profits higher, right? Now they're making more money than ever if their cost of raw goods is technically lower. Why would they decrease it unless they actually have to, which they don't have to? So in my opinion, like people are talking about like Five Guys and stuff like that. They're not gonna lower their prices if they're getting away with people still buying it for however much, right? Supply and demand. So it's like, if there is demand, then the people will continue to pay for it and it will still be expensive. The like inflation that we actually feel is not necessarily what he's talking about, because what we feel is dictated by large corp America, which is profit driven. He's not doing Q&A, obviously. Couldn't run the block at 900. That's kind of crazy. And then a legit, I think it's a legit double top. Oh, missed it by a tick. That is a terrible sign. We're still moving. I mean, that's 30 points almost instant. So 30 points off the rebound. Like you got to be a little careful. Just a reminder, we're getting good movement. A lot of movement. That was a whole lot of nothing. It's the same stuff he always does, except a little bit more long-winded history lesson. Yeah, I mean, that was 120 point drop with not a single. There was like one 5-point uptick and then one other 5-point uptick. Everything else was just straight 120 points down. So aggressive. That was my very first trade ever. Holy hell, I just gained $300 in 4 seconds. That is the most classic thing I've ever heard. It always happens that way. Your very first trade ever, you have like instant several $100, and then the hook is set. Yeah, get ready for a long journey, my friend. Yep. What do you think, chat? Think we go run the wicks and run 900? Just about like getting in. How do you get in on this? I don't know. All right, here it comes. Maybe. 860 is kind of interesting. 840s, 40s, 50s, 60s are all kind of interesting for like potential spots to bid it, but like kind of aggressive. Bouncing off the 1.5 standard deviation again. Be something like that. Sick. Just instant. It's gonna happen. I prefer instant. That was literally less than a second. I mean, it couldn't have been any faster. It bounced off the 60 level. I'm fully closed, by the way. That's just like a glitch. Fully closed. Bounced off the 60s. Maybe the 40s are the next shot. 7 points. Excuse me, 8 points. So I kept it very tight, but I mean, that was quite literally couldn't have been any faster. I don't think that could have been any faster. That's 10 points there too. Yeah, I mean, it was like if I gave it 6 or 3 extra points, it would have been just as fast of a fill.